Hello friends, welcome to Drive Mode, the one-step destination for searching your true vehicle. It's my first review over here and I was thinking to review a very special vehicle. So I consulted a friend of mine, a school friend, his name is Bharat and he is with me right now. Hi Bharat.
Hi.
This Bharat is a school friend of mine. He has a beautiful car. The car which is reputed all over India and I really think this can be a very good start for us. So before I start the review, Bharat, can you please say hi to all the viewers?
Hi.
And Bharat, car keys please. Thank you so much. We got the car keys and let's go review the car. So guys, this is the car keys. This Toyota car was first launched in India in 1997 as Toyota Corolla. It was a great hit. Then in 2005, it was changed and Toyota Innova has launched. And now we have the second generation and let me present you. So, let me first start with the key of the car. If you observe, this is the Toyota key, Innova Krista. It has only two options, unlock and lock. Okay, so let us go to the front part of the car. So, the bonnet of the car is completely redesigned. This is not the regular Innova that you see in the market. This is a second generation model. Now, if you observe, the bonnet is completely redesigned. It has Toyota logo on top with grey elements and black elements, which gives a bulky look to the car. When you come to the headlights of this car, these are projector xenon headlamps. Okay, these have a very brilliant vision. This here is a indicators, turn indicators, and there is also a fog light involved, and this is a LED fog light. Okay, and this accessory is a crash guard, front crash guard. This is extra fitting on sides. If you observe the car profile clearly, this car is running on 17-inch alloy wheels. These are stock. These are the 17-inch alloy wheels. Outside rear view mirror, it has a turn indicator engraved to it. Door. If you observe the door handles, these are chrome elements and the surrounding elements to it are extra fitting. This rain visor is also extra fitting. This footboard is also an extra fitting for this car. Now, if we come to the back seat, let's go to the back seat. If you go to the back seat, if you observe the door, it has a one power window. If you observe, it's one touch down and one touch up. Okay, it has one speaker at the bottom. Okay, and there's no tweeter. This only has one speaker. It has two pilot seats. Okay, this is not a regular row. In Innova, if you observe, it had a big bench seat, but in Innova Krista, you get two pilot seats. If you observe over here, there are two handles. This is for reclining this seat, and the second one is to tilt up. It's very simple. One pull and it goes away. Now if you observe, I sat in the car. Okay, I'll pull this seat to my position. Okay. In between a person like me can fit. I'm 5'8", so I'm okay. I'm comfortable in this seat. Now I'm sitting in the most spacious seat in the Innova Krista, pilot seats. These are completely retractable seats. Okay. Now the length between my knees and the seat is way too much. I can spread my legs very clearly. I'm 5'8", so I can sit very clearly with my knees good. The under thigh support for this seat is really good, if I have to say. Headroom is also really good. And if you observe the new feature in Innova Krista, you get these trays for you. If you have a laptop, if you want to work, or if you have anything to eat, you can happily use this thing. There's a cup holder over here also to hold your cups very clearly. It's a very good attachment, if I have to say. There is a small party trick over here. There is two cup holders for this car. They can use it. If they are not using it, they can fold it up right. Now, if you there's a party trick over here. At this place, you have aux port and also a USB port over here, which you can use for music or it will be for charging purpose. So this is the aux port and USB port at the rear of the car. And if you're thinking about the AC vents, don't even worry about it. Now this car has a very special feature of AC. Okay, it's a two-zone climate control. If you can come inside, the top portion of the car is completely redesigned if you observe. Now these are the AC controls only for the rear passengers. It's completely automated. This is for blower of the car for the rear seats only. This is for ambient light. If you observe, the light over here is increasing, the light over here is decreasing. This complete part is for ambient lighting, and this is a very premium feature which is observed only in top cars, which is like BMW, Mercedes, Jaguars. These cars have ambient lighting, and Innova Crysta also has ambient lighting over here. And there's one more light over here, one reading lamp over here. Now these seats, these pilot seats, are movable in front. They can move back also, and they can easily recline also. If you go back to here, come back over here. So it's a very comfortable seat. If you want more space, this side of it has one more feature. If you observe a small handle over here, if you pull it up and if you push the seat, you can arrange the seat for your comfort from here also. Now this is one feature which is also observed in premium cars only. But Innova Crysta also has this feature for you. So let us go into the driver's seat and see how it is. There are 4 power window options. All the power windows are one touch up and one touch down. If I show you, it's one touch down, it's one touch up. Okay, this is for locking the doors for behind doors, not the doors but the windows. This is for locking and unlocking the car. Okay, this is for retracting the ORVMs or putting them back to the same place. And this is the controls for the steering of the car is completely redesigned too. There are wood elements in the steering of this car, and this is stitched leather on the half portion. Okay, there are a lot of stereometric controls on this car. If you can observe the tachometer and the speedometer of this car, they are also redesigned. They are not the same as the Innova before. This is the new touchscreen system that Innova has right now. Okay, this supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It also has GPS navigation also in this thing. And the AC is completely minimalistic design. If you observe, the dashboard is completely minimalistic. It has wood trim over here, AC vent over there, AC vent over here, AC vent over here also, AC vent over here also. There are 4 AC vents. The design is completely minimalistic. Okay. If you come to the AC controls over here, there are 2 rotatory dials over here. One is for the temperature, one is for the temperature over here, and this one is for the speed of the fan. Now, for offing the AC, this is for rear defogger, the direction of this thing, of the AC blower, front defogger, for air to rotate in the car only, and it's the AC control, on or off. Okay. Now, bottom to the AC control, there are 2 options. One is the power mode and other one is eco mode. Eco mode is if you want to extract the most economic drive from the car, eco mode should be on. And if you want to have power thrill experience, power mode has to be on. Now the steering controls are very neatly designed. Okay, you have 2 options for lifting a call and cutting a call also. There are 2 options for increasing the volume and decreasing the volume. 2 options for switching between the tracks, or if you want to switch between the menus in this thing also, touchscreen system you can do from here. Mode to switch from media, from FM to Bluetooth or navigation, this is from here only. This is for voice command. Now Innova Crysta also comes with voice command feature also. And on the right side, if you observe, these controls are completely designed to operate the LCD display in between the tachometer and the speedometer. Whatever message you're getting, it will be displayed over here. Now this thing is for music, media. And if you go once again, this is for the compass inbuilt in your car. This is for driver information display. Now if you come to the right side, there is one small bottle holder over here. It can take up to 1 liter bottle over here. And this can be cooled by this AC vent. Now same way, if you observe, there is one more bottle holder on the right side also. Now there are 2 glove boxes in Innova Crysta. One on the top portion, it's a small glove box, but this is a cooled glove box. So if you want to cool any water bottle in summer season, this can be done over here. Now on the bottom portion, there's one more glove box. This glove box is very deep. You can store up to, I don't know, maybe close to 2 water bottles in this thing. But this is not cooled. This is normal glove box. Now if you come on top, there is a sun glaze over here, and you have vanity mirror with light function. And on the right side also, you have a vanity mirror with light function, same. And on top you have ambient lighting over here, and there are a few features over here also. This is to on one light, this is to on both the lights, this is to decrease the ambient lighting and to increase the ambient lighting, and the last option is to on the other light. This is the options that you have in the car right now. And if you come here, there's a one small storage compartment here also in your armrest. Now this is a very deep storage compartment. There's a lot of stuff here over here. This is Bharat stuff. I don't have any issues with this thing. Okay, there's a very deep compartment over here. You can store a lot of things in this thing also. there's a lot of change here. There's one cup holder over here. There's a lot of change here. Bharat, I don't know what are you doing with this change. Okay, there's a lot of change over here. There's a small portion to store things over here also. And here there's a 12-volt socket and there's already a charger over here. So it depends on you how you can do it. And this is the traction control off and traction control on button. Okay, through which you can actually drift your car also if you need. Now, if you observe the gear rod, okay, it's a 5-speed manual transmission, okay, with one reverse gear, okay. Now, this has a wood finish. There is a handbrake over here, and if you observe bottle holders over there, okay, these bottle holders are really very deep. Now, I have seen Bharat putting 3 water bottles in this thing. All three are 1 liter bottles. So this can store up to 3 liters of water, both on the co-driver side and also on the driver side. And also, it can store up to 3 bottles of water, with the 3 liters of water on all the 4 doors. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, close to 12 liters of water is just stored in this door pocket. So it's a very, very big car. And if you're planning your tours for a very long areas, right, this can actually give you all the facilities that you need. There's 2 glove boxes, 12 water storage compartment, and one more thing, there is a sunglass holder over here also. Don't forget that. Now this car also comes with cruise control. Now if you come down, there's one small option which is very preserved by my friend Bharat. Okay, this is a cruise control which can activate at a speed more than 100. Okay, you can increase the speed or decrease the speed. You can cancel the cruise control also, in which you need not even lay your legs on the pedals. Even if you don't give accelerator, the car will still be moving at the same speed. That's a feature of cruise control, and this car has it. This seat is electrically adjustable. It's not manual, it's adjustable. It can go front and back. It can also go up and down. And the lumbar support can also be adjusted over here through this thing. And it can also be adjusted. The back is also be adjusted. These are the switches for electrically adjustable thing in Innova Crysta. And the steering is also tiltable and rectangular. I'll just show you this thing. The small lever over here, if you pull that lever down, okay, if you see the lever, if you pull the lever down, this steering can be tilted and also can be reach adjusted and also tilt adjusted. Okay, this is a very good feature. It's actually really helpful to find a very good driving posture in your car. Okay, this is the paddling, and if you come to the driver side door, the finish of this door is completely smooth. It's not an Alcantara completely, but I can say it's a very smooth villain finish of this door. Okay, and this finish is on all the 4 doors. Now, if you come over here, this car comes with a keyless entry. So there is no key knob to rotate the car or start the engine. You have push button start. Okay, so through this thing you can start the car or you can off the car. There is a push start button over here. And if you come down, there is a light option over here. If you open the door, this is a stop light for the doors on this car on all the 4 doors. Now, if you come on this side, there are 2 things over here. This thing is for opening the bonnet. I'll open the bonnet and I'll show you the engine also. Don't worry about that. This is for diesel cap. Okay, I'll open this thing. Okay, and I'll show this thing also later for you. For example, the diesel car is now closed. If I pull this thing now the diesel car is open. I'll go back and I'll show you. But now this thing is to on the parking sensors behind the car. There are rear parking sensors for this car. So you can on the parking sensors or you can off the parking sensors over here. Let's come inside. Now if you observe, this cap is open. Okay, you can see your diesel over here. Okay, now this is a 2.4 liter diesel car, which means it's a 2393 cc car and it gives a power of closely 148 bhp. Now the 0 to 100 of this car, it is claimed the company is close to 11.1 seconds. Now let us go to the boot of this car. Yeah, this is the extra feature that's fitted into this car. This is a JBL woofer, okay, and there's a JBL amplifier also in this car. And the space, if you can see, okay, I won't say it's a very huge space, but it can easily accumulate close to, I can say, 2 to 3 luggage, the big luggages. Okay, it can take on this thing. Okay, but these third rows can also be folded by just one thing. If you can come over here, there's one small lever behind this thing. Yeah, this is the lever. Okay, if you pull this lever, the face will fold. Okay, the same lever is on the other side also. Now these seats are completely folded down. Now this is a complete space that you can get in your car. Okay. So if there are any big luggages, if you want to carry to the airport, maybe for station, you can easily gulp all your luggage with ease. And there's one more party trick over here. For the third row passenger especially, if you can observe, there are 2 extra air vents over there on the top. Okay. These are especially for the third row itself. And it's completely different zone. And there are 2 cup holders. There's one cup holder over here for the third row passenger. Okay. And there's one more cup holder on the right side also. And there's one more feature. For the third row passenger, on the right side, you have a AC vent in the cup holder, so that the water bottle you're carrying, it will be cool over here also. So let me put back these seats back once again. It's very easy to put up these seats. Now, if your tire is flat, okay, now most people don't know where the jack is in the Innova Crysta. I'll show you. It's located not under the mat, but it's on the side. There's one small knob, you have to rotate the knob, okay, and after that you just pull this thing, and here is the jack. So this side is also a light feature. If it's dark, there's also a light on and off switch over here, through which you can see whatever is there in the boot. Let me close this boot. Now the design of the lights are also very unique. These are not LED lights, these are completely halogen lights. Okay, there is stop light over here, reverse parking light over here, left indicator. The same things are carried out on the right side also. And these both lights are joined with a metallic strip over here completely with the badging on it. And rear we have a wiper and also a defogger. So if it's winter season and your rear windshield is completely filled with fog, there's a defogger over here through which these lines, if you observe, they'll be heated up and the fog will be cleared very easily. And if you come down, there's a rear crash guard over here. It's completely extra fitting. Apart from that, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 sensors. There is a parking camera also over there located beneath this thing. Okay, which will assist you in a very good parking space. Now, this is the overall thing. There is a spoiler on the top, and there's also a emergency stop lamp over here. Okay, for the Innova Crysta. Now, let us go open the hood. Now, if you remember, I told you this is for diesel and this is for the bonnet. Let us go to the bonnet. This is the bonnet of the car. Now, if you come here, now once you open the bonnet, there's a rod over here. Take it. Yeah. Now this is a 2393 cc engine. Okay, this is a diesel engine. The diesel capacity of this car is 50 liters. This is a 148 bhp car. Okay, with 300 Newton meters of torque. And believe me, this thing runs really good. And there's one more diesel car also, which is diesel automatic. Okay, that's a 2.7 liter diesel engine that gives you close to 175 horsepower. But we have a 2.4 liter engine over here. This is a manual transmission, 5-speed. Okay, this is the details of the Innova Crysta. So guys, this is the end of the Innova Crysta. I hope you liked the video. Okay, these are the all features that are there in Innova Crysta. If I missed out on any features or if I missed out on anything, you can tell me in the comment section below, because this is my first video and I don't think that I have covered every single thing. If you think I missed out anything, you can put it on the comment section. But if you like the video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the channel DM Drive Mod. I hope to see you once again, and special thanks for 3 people who have actually given their heart and soul to finishing this video. Okay, there is Uday, the person who is recording the video right now. For Bharat, who actually gave this car for reviewing this thing. Arun He's a friend of Bharat. Okay, I'll drop his Instagram link also in the bio. And the also part, I'm really happy that I'm over in this place. I think it's been a wonderful journey with you people. If you like the video, don't forget, I'm reminding once again, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that next time onwards, whatever video we'll be doing, you will get the first notification. And darling, last but not least, we have making a video for this review. Yeah, it was really fun. We have traveled all this far away. Okay, we are doing a lot of making video for this thing, and making video will also be posted in the YouTube channel itself. And don't forget to subscribe our us on Instagram also. DM Tribe. Nice to see you all. Have a nice day.